Hey everyone, welcome to this Delph tutorial video. In today's Delph tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix library error Roblox. Let's get into it. First, close the game launcher completely. Look at your bottom screen bar, right-click on the game icon, and select the choice to close the window. Open your main computer process list and make sure the game name is totally gone from the active list. Because you cannot change or fix a system file while the program is actively using it, you have to shut down the app completely so the computer releases its grip on the broken folder. Without this step, any changes you try to make will be blocked by your computer's safety rules. Next, find your hidden game folder. You need to use your main file finder to dig into the hidden folders where your computer saves its game data files. Hold the special Windows key and press R on your keyboard, type the secret folder word into the run box, and hit enter. Look through the folder list that pops up on your screen, find the folder named AppData, and click your way into the local folder area. By navigating to this specific folder list, you can see the exact files that are misbehaving. It ensures you are looking in the right storage room instead of messing with your normal desktop shortcuts. Next, delete the corrupted data folder. Now you need to select the specific game data folder that is holding the broken code and delete it entirely from your computer disk. Scroll down the list until you see the folder with the name of your game, right-click on it, and click the trash can button. Confirm that you want to send the entire folder to the recycle bin and make sure the name disappears from the list. By wiping out this specific folder, you remove the bad data that was blocking your screen. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.